Hello everyone, welcome to MonoVM's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to install cPanel on AlmaLinux 9 from scratch. This guide works whether you're setting up a VPS, a dedicated server, or multiple websites. As a first step, and before diving in, make sure you have the following prerequisites ready. This will save you time and help avoid common issues during installation. A fresh AlmaLinux 9 installation, starting fresh minimizes conflicts and errors. Server access, you need a VPS or dedicated server with root privileges. cPanel license. In this part, you first need to update your server and then install Perl. Both steps in this part are important because outdated packages or missing dependencies can cause the installation to fail. To update, use this command. And to install Perl, which is required for cPanel, use this command. At this stage, it's time to download the official cPanel installation script. So, we will go to a directory with enough space with this command. Then, start the installation with the following command. Note that this process may take a while, depending on the speed of your server and internet. WHM will guide you through the installation process and help you configure essential settings, including name servers, hosting plans, and security settings. Although the steps are straightforward, the official cPanel documentation is a useful reference if needed. Once installed, open WHM in your browser. Congratulations! You have successfully installed cPanel on AlmaLinux 9. You now have a stable and powerful control panel for hosting websites. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to see our next videos. What would you like our next tutorial to be about? Let us know in the comments.